Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hair masks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask. Moroccanoil is an iconic brand that delivers high-performing oil-infused beauty products all around the globe. It has created the buzz on Argan oil, so no wonder this is a key ingredient in its intense hydrating mask. Awarded as the Best Luxury Hair Mask 2018 by Influencer, it's actually one of the most effective products for medium to thick dry hair. Infused with the highest quality argan oil, it deeply moisturizes dehydrated hair. That means extra conditioning. Argan oil is rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamins, so it increases hair elasticity, shine, and manageability as well. It also works miracles on the scalp by nourishing it. Besides argan oil, the formula contains glycerin and linseed extract that improve the hair texture and reduce static. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1-Minute Hair Mask. In case you don't want to shell out dozens of bucks on a hair mask, we have a good alternative for you, the Garnier Fructis Smoothing 1-Minute Smoothing Treatment. This drugstore mask shows decent results on any type of hair, including color-treated and chemically damaged ones. The best part about this product is that it's formulated with 98% naturally derived ingredients. The remaining 2% are light chemicals that ensure good preservation and sensoriality. Also, the composition doesn't include animal-derived ingredients, byproducts, artificial colorant, silicones, parabens, meaning it won't weigh down your hair and decrease volume. At number 3, we have the Arvazallia Hydrating Argan Oil Hair Mask. If you'd like to bring professional salon treatment experience to the comfort of your own home, you may want to consider the Moisturizing Argan Oil Hair Mask and Deep Conditioner by Arvazallia. Even if you have very thin and brittle hair, we bet this product will bring them back to life. It has a quite thick consistency and can wrap each hair with deeply conditioning elements. That is to say, the mask includes Argania spinosa kernel oil and citric acid in its composition, so it hydrates, detangles, and revives dry and brittle hair, while making it more elastic and manageable. Also, it's enriched with essential vitamins and nutrients that effectively nourish all hair types, including natural, curly, permed, and bleached ones. However, if you have a bit too oily hair, we don't recommend applying this mask near your roots. They might get greasy because of the huge amount of argan oil. Instead, you should apply it approximately from the ears down. At number 2, we have the Artnaturals Argan Hair Mask Conditioner. The folks behind Artnaturals believe in the power of natural senses. And that's why they integrate as many finest botanical extracts and essential oils as possible in their naturally focused products. And this hair mask is great proof. Argan oil is widely praised for its ability to repair damaged hair, enhance it, and let it grow stronger and longer. It also effectively restores split ends and reduces frizz. Even if your hair looks and feels like straw from blow drying, styling, and sun exposure, Argan will help this. Plus, it will coat the hair shaft to protect it from further environmental damage. Another benefit of argan oil is its ability to fight hair loss and nourish the scalp. It stimulates blood flow and pushes your scalp to produce more hair. With that, it moisturizes the scalp without overloading it with chemicals and oils. And finally, at number 1, we have the OGX Extra Strength Hydrate Repair Plus Argan Oil of Morocco Hair Mask. If you have severely dry hair damaged after bleach, the OGX Extra Strength Mask, infused with Argan Oil of Morocco, will help you make things much better. It intensively saturates your locks with natural ingredients and thoroughly hydrates them. Made with argan oil and silk proteins, the mask also helps detangle your hair and lock in moisture to give you the feel of silky perfection. It has a creamy texture and is easy to apply, so you'll be able to quickly spread the mask over the whole length of your hair. You should pay special attention to ends. On the very first application, you'll feel your hair drinking all of this mask in. As a result, you'll get much softer and thoroughly moisturized hair. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.